Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the setup I got in the RC Boat Bitz tabs. So I'm just quite flat to the top, and I'm above the bottom of the sponson, and I have them slightly angled down, so when you put a ruler on it, there's about 1/2 millimeter of space between the flat line coming off the sponson and the tab. So it has some room, so it shouldn't be touching or barely touching when it's running flat. But when it starts to come up, it's going to dig in and obviously keep it from blowing over. Well, it feels like the drivetrain's broken and it's way quieter. Okay, we're zeroed out. Wind's still up. So we got 5200 milliamp Z's in here. Everything else is the same. Look out! Oh, there's the stupid wind starting. Every time I go put the boat in the water, the wind gun comes up. Boy, she sure runs flat with those tabs, though. Let's see what that did. Oh, it's not repeat this one. Holy shit. Here we go. 73 miles an hour. It's a new record for me with the tabs. Nice. Okay, let's try it again if I can get it out of here. Even into the wind, man. She's not blowing over. I gotta say, I like these tabs. Okay, that's pretty much it for those 52s. $70 that time. Not too shabby. Look out. Help me, Earl. Check some temperatures. Can 129, that's getting up there. 108 at the 130, 127, caps 150. Ooh. Batteries 122, 24, 129. It's warm. What's the middle cap at? 130, 143. That's warm enough. Okay, let it cool down, and we'll still got the big boys to do yet. The 120Cs. We'll see what that does if it calms down.